My people, we just put our stuff here under the palm trees. And look at my beach for today, guys. We are at Zoom Marine Beach. My kids are already here. Vicente! Oh, Vicente! My kid was already going along to the middle of the pool. Look at the stupid. I'm gonna have to go there, guys. Bless you people, love you very much. I'm just finishing my Sigi. Bless you guys. See you later on tonight, people. Love you. We have some great shows coming up. Dolphins, lion seals, birds, a lot of stuff. See you soon.